In just the last hour, a former NC State graduate student battling cancer will be allowed to have additional testing done in Poe Hall for cancer-causing chemicals known as PCBs. WRAL Sean Gallagher is live with what this really means for people who worked and studied in that building, Sean.
Yeah, Chris, this building right here behind me, Poe Hall, has had these signs up since November and the doors locked, not letting anyone inside. But this news today is a big deal because NC State recently finished up its most recent testings into PCBs. But some experts we've talked to have told us more in-depth testing is necessary to fully understand the scope of what's going on inside of this building. Now, Dr. Darren Major took NC State to court pushing to get additional testing done in the building. He and his attorneys are trying to figure out if there are any connections between the PCBs found and more than 200 cancer cases in people who worked or studied here at Poe Hall. NC State fought to keep Major and his experts out of the building, but in that ruling today, the North Carolina Court of Appeals said those experts can get into Poe Hall to do their own testing. We spoke to Major about his feelings on the decision in the last 30 minutes.
It's certainly a step in the right direction. It's going to allow for what the attorneys call discovery, for us to go in there. When I say us, I'm talking about the experts, the professionals, to go in and do extensive testing, not just a little bit of testing. And I know that that's going to include the caulking, better air samples.
And we did reach out to NC State about this ruling. They said they are aware of the decision and are reviewing it. On NC State campus, Sean Gallagher, WRAL News.